Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl, Aya Bunda, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into some home remedies that can help you breathe easier. We're talking about natural ways to combat that pesky mucus buildup that can leave you feeling congested and uncomfortable. Sometimes over-the-counter medications can only do so much, and let's be honest, who wants to rely on those all the time? That's why I'm excited to share some natural alternatives. These remedies involve incorporating certain foods into your diet that have properties known to help loosen up mucus and clear your airways. We're talking about readily available, delicious ingredients that you can easily add to your meals or enjoy as snacks. So if you're ready to ditch the decongestants and opt for a more natural approach, stick around. First up, we have ginger. Ginger is like that friend who always knows how to soothe your soul, and in this case, your respiratory system. Ginger contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds called gingerols, which can help reduce inflammation in the airways and lungs. But it doesn't stop there. Ginger is also known for its ability to thin out mucus, making it easier to cough up and expel. The best part? It's so easy to incorporate ginger into your daily routine. You can add it to your smoothies, stir-fries, or soups. A soothing cup of ginger tea is also a great way to enjoy its benefits. Just grate a small piece of fresh ginger into hot water, let it steep for a few minutes, and sip away. Next, we're talking about pineapple, the tropical delight that's more than just a delicious treat. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which acts as a natural mucus buster. Bromelain helps break down the proteins in mucus, making it thinner and easier to clear from your respiratory tract. Enjoy a few slices of fresh pineapple as a snack. Add it to your smoothies or fruit salads, or sip on some unsweetened pineapple juice. Just make sure to choose fresh or unsweetened options whenever possible to avoid added sugars. Your body will thank you for it. Let's move on to turmeric, the golden spice that's been making waves in the health world. Turmeric gets its vibrant yellow color from a compound called curcumin, which is a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. Curcumin can help reduce inflammation in the airways and lungs, making it easier to breathe. Adding turmeric to your diet is super easy. You can sprinkle it on roasted veggies, add it to soups and stews, or even blend it into your smoothies. Golden milk, a warm drink made with turmeric, ginger, and your choice of milk, is another delicious way to enjoy its benefits. Now let's talk about garlic, the pungent bulb that's a staple in many cuisines worldwide. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which acts as a natural expectorant. This means it helps loosen up mucus in the respiratory tract, making it easier to cough up and expel. Adding garlic to your diet is as easy as can be. Use it to flavor your favorite soups, stews, sauces, or roasted vegetables. You can even roast whole cloves of garlic for a milder, sweeter flavor. Last but not least, we have honey, nature's liquid gold. Honey has antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it a great natural remedy for coughs and sore throats. Honey's thick, syrupy texture helps coat and soothe irritated mucous membranes in the throat, providing relief from coughing and irritation. Add a spoonful of honey to warm water or tea for a soothing drink. You can also add it to smoothies or drizzle it over toast. But remember, it's always best to choose raw, unprocessed honey to reap its full benefits. So there you have it, 5 natural remedies that can help you breathe easier by clearing out that stubborn mucus. Ginger, pineapple, turmeric, garlic, and honey. These readily available ingredients can be your allies in the fight against congestion. Incorporating these foods into your diet is a natural and effective way to support your respiratory health. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.